Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I have a Leslie upper rotor idle or idle arm, as I call them, that I've oiled, cleaned, lubricated, but it's still a little noisy. Listen. So I have others that are much smoother or that sound smoother. See, it sounds a little rough. So those are the bearings, and I've used this in the past, and and I've had a lot of success with it. But and I tried it with this, but it hasn't worked. So I'm gonna try some Corrosion X with this, and let it soak in this Corrosion X throughout the day, and then I'll try it again and see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Corrosion X on it, and hopefully Corrosion X will make a difference. I'll know in a few hours. All right, and I'll come back and we'll do this again and see if it makes a difference in the sound. But I wanted to record it. Let's do it one more time. So you can hear what it sounds like, so I can hear what it sounds like on the recording, and then I'll be able to compare what it sounds like once I use the Corrosion X with it. Okay, until the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. It's 7:35 in the morning. Let me show you. Ooh, Saturday morning. There it is up there, 7:35 in the morning. So we down here early in the shop, putting it in, making it happen, getting it done. You better believe it. Till the next video. Peace out.